Okay, this is a version 5 mold. So once again, this is the one that has the seam that goes all the way across the top that's wide open. And we infilled previously the hot glue on either side of that vent. Now we have to do the outside. The critical part of these that's different than the other molds is making sure that you don't infill this gap right here so much that it blocks off the vent. So the way that I do that is basically create a quick webbing that goes across, and that will prevent the next row of glue that I do from going all the way inside there. And so I let that cure for just a little bit, and I start at the opposite end of the mold, go from the bottom to the top, glue everything into here. Again, making sure that I pack it inside that gap to the best of my ability. Then when I get to here, I actually lift up a little bit on this so that I know I'm not squirting into the gap. Then I do one that runs over the top. I do another one that runs on this side, and then another one that runs on that side. So now I know that I've left the vent open. Then basically just go around and glue the bottom. Now on the other side, do the same thing with the webbing. There you go, you can see that. And then we glue up this seam. And then again, don't push in right here so much. Just make sure that you're covering up the gaps that are in the webbing. Go the middle, then one side, then the other. And then you're done, and this one's ready to clamp. You can see here, it's already degraded a little bit. I don't know if you can see the indentations on this camera or not, but I'll need to make sure that I don't clamp directly over that spot because it's already weakened to a degree, and I want this mold to last as long as possible because every gasket mold takes an entire day of 3D printing to create. So again, avoiding that spot right there. And you can definitely feel why, because that spring seems more difficult than the others. So there we go. And that's a version 5 ready to go. And that's it.